Hi Natalie, how are you?
Good night, Rafael. I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine too. What do you do every day?
My daily routine is simple. I wake up every day at 5 o'clock. I brush my teeth. Then I prepare a healthy breakfast. At 6 o'clock, I wake up my son. At 7 o'clock, I take a taxi to school. I return home at 8 o'clock. I watch the news on TV. At 9 o'clock, I turn on my laptop and start my workday.
And what do you do in the afternoon?
At 1 o'clock, I go to pick up my son from school. I don't cook lunch, my brother does. At 2 o'clock, I come back home and take a shower. I feed my son while we talk about his day at school. At 6 o'clock, I have my first university class on Zoom. At 9 o'clock, I do my homework. At 11 o'clock, I put on my pajamas and check my social media or watch a series on Netflix. At 12 o'clock, I go to sleep.
Great! You really do a lot during the day.
And you, what do you do during the week?
During the week, I follow a routine. On Monday, I go to the gym at 8 o'clock and read before bed at 10 o'clock. On Tuesday, I study English at 1:30. Go shopping at 3 o'clock. On Wednesday, I work from 8 o'clock to 7 o'clock. On Thursday, I work at 10 o'clock. Take photos at 12 o'clock and don't check social media. On Friday, I am home at 6 o'clock. Have dinner at 8 o'clock, maybe watch a movie, and stay up until 12:30.
That's great. And what do you do on weekends?
On Saturdays, I clean the house at 10 o'clock and do the laundry at 12 o'clock, but I don't work. I also organize my closet at 3 o'clock and do some gardening at 4 o'clock. Finally, on Sundays, I relax at 10 o'clock, watch movies at 4 o'clock, call my family at 8 o'clock, and I don't do anything stressful all day.
That's interesting.
Yes, it is. See you later.
All right. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.